Assalamu alaikum and welcome. You're watching Real English News along with your host Sharif Akram Imani. Let's have a look on today's top headlines. NCP leader Praful Patel targets Congress over. BJP says nothing new in Shiv Sena's offer, hopes to mutuality settle setting shares raw. Police deny premises to 10 years celebration of Mois Vara Vara Rao house arrested. IAF plane carrying 11 on board criticized and crash lands at Chandigarh airport. Let's have a look on headlines in details. As the date for Maharashtra Assembly election draw near, the face-off between various alliance and parties over seat sharing has intensified. While BJP Shiv tussle over seat sharing has gained momentum with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi stepping to save 25-year-old alliance. NCP leaders, that is Praful Patel, has warned Congress with a final ultimatum on the seat sharing. NCP leader also, that is Mr. Praful Patel, on Saturday said we can only give Congress another 24 hours. The situation is very fragile over seat sharing and they need to try and decide on the earliest. Meanwhile, Maharashtra BJP core committee members also met on Saturday and spent the entire morning and afternoon at BA4 officials, resident of Inkata Khadse, leader of opposition in State Legislative Assembly. However, the series of discussion held by state leader in presence of BJP parliamentary committee members like Rajiv Pratap Rude, O.P. Mathura and V. Satish did not bring any solution to offer the Sena, since the latter ally has been damned by the members. Sena wants to contest on 150 seats across the state and nothing less. On the other hand, NCP too has stated that 124 seat was their old demand to Congress, their ally in the state government, and they were looking to increase the number in the upcoming polls. We have also been with Congress and want to continue the grand old alliance. Sharda Pawar has intensified a debate on the same lines, says Mr. Patel at a conference press.
कांग्रेस पार्टी के साथ हमारी पिछले 15 वर्षों से महाराष्ट्र में सरकार में हिस्सेदारी है। केंद्र में भी 10 साल हम कांग्रेस पार्टी के हिस्सेदार बनकर रहे। अभी हमको कुछ ऐसी अधिकृत सूचना मिल रही है कि 124 जगह कांग्रेस पार्टी एनसीपी को देने के लिए तैयार है, लेकिन हमारी इतना ही इसमें राय है कि 124 जगह तो हमारी एनसीपी की पहले से ही थी और अब हम जो चाहते हैं कि हमारी जगह 124 से बढ़ाकर आधी मतलब 144 जगह कांग्रेस और एनसीपी के बीच में बंटवारा हो। हमें कोई अधिकृत प्रस्ताव अभी कांग्रेस पार्टी की ओर से अभी तुरंत नहीं मिला है। इससे ज्यादा जगह के बारे में या और कोई इसका नया प्रस्ताव कुछ उनके तरफ से है, ऐसी अभी कोई हमको जानकारी नहीं है।
Squabbling over seats and sharing showed no signs of resolution on Sunday. With the BJP stating there was nothing new in the Shiv Sena's final off to give it 119 seats for upcoming Maharashtra Assembly polls and hope it can be mutually settled. Hours after Uddhava Thackeray talk in Mumbai on seat sharing and that Sena cannot give beyond 19 seats, that is 119 seats actually. BJP told its old alliance partner that it was the only duty of both the parties to continue the tip-off and sort out issues instead of going through the media. In remarks directed at the Sena chief, party also termed Thackeray finals offer to its being nothing new, as the BJP has been contesting on 119 seats ever since the alliance came into being. Reaching Koshali, leader of opposition in Maharashtra Assembly and Legislative Council, that is Eknath Khadse, and Vinod Tavre said here the party went Sena to rejoin on such seats that they never won in the last 25 years, so that they are not given to the NCP Congress alliance on a platter in the upcoming polls. There is nothing new in the latest Shiv Sena offer, as BJP has been contesting 119 seats ever since the alliance came into being. We want the alliance to continue. It is the duty of both Shiv Sena and BJP to maintain the alliance beam. We want the alliance to continue as well, says both the parties. We have 25-year-old ties and seat sharing issue can be sorted out mutually through the face-to-face talk and not through media. Thavre also told the reporters in hurriedly convened press conference. Shiv Sena has been losing on 35 seats while we have been losing on 19. If they were to be reallocated, then we would all benefit instead of these seats going automatically to Congress NCP alliance. The Telangana government on Saturday denied permission to P. Varavara Rao, Telangana revolution poet, to hold a seminar and take out a rally in Hyderabad, accusing him of being a threat to play peace in his reaction to the TRS government on a move. In a reply to a letter by Rao seeking permission to use microphones at the rally, the DCP Central Zone VK Kamalsan Rati said the Pratyamna Rajakya Vedika, that is, formula for political alternative, headed by him, was a frontier organization of the CPI Moist. In the application, it is mentioned that this meeting is for reviewing the progress, achievement and objective of 10 years of United Revolutionary Movement. It is reliably learned that the outlast CPI Moist party has issued and pamphlets and posters and exclusively campaign in support of the said program in the areas affected with the left-wing extremism. The DCP stated, as a result, the Moist open carriages from the affected areas are likely to reach Hyderabad and likely to indulge in violence. Varavara Rao said within days of coming to power, Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao and the TRS party are displaying such blunt intolerance and misuse of power. It's an attempt to muzzle anyone who ideas or view that they don't like or reset. An Indian Air Force transport aircraft, that is AN-32, crash landed while it was landing at the Air Force Station runway in Chandigarh. Some personnel received minor injuries. The incident took place around 8:30 p.m. on Saturday. The aircraft had gone for an operation and was returning from Bathinda. It developed an emergency mid-air and during landing warned off the runway, turned turtle and caught fire. The fire was controlled and inquiry has been marked by the Air Force agency. There were 11 personnel on board, including 5 crew members. As person sources, the personnel were rescued from the aircraft. Few of them suffered minor injuries and were shifted to Command Hospital. Chandi Mandir ASP South Urvija Gol said, "We rushed to the spot as soon as we got the information from the control room. However, the situation was under control by them and the victims are operated." Let's have a glance on today's stock market. Sensex for today stand with 27,090.42 with 0.08%, whereas Nifty for today stand with 81,121.45 with 0.08%. Let's have a look on today's gold and silver rates as per Malabar Golds. According to Malabar Golds, today's gold rates, that is Sunday 21st of September, are as follows. For 22 carats of gold for 10 grams, it's rupees 25,460. Whereas for 24 carats of gold for 10 grams, it's rupees 26,930. Silver rates for today for 10 grams, it's rupees 420. Let's have an update of today's weather forecast of 6 regions of Telangana state. Hyderabad minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius and maximum 33 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar minimum temperature 26 degrees Celsius and maximum 33 degrees Celsius. Mehbubnagar minimum temperature 25 degrees Celsius and maximum 30 degrees Celsius. Nizamabad minimum temperature 23 degrees Celsius and maximum 32 degrees Celsius. Khammam minimum temperature 24 degrees Celsius and maximum 35 degrees Celsius. Whereas today's minimum temperature of Medak district stand with minimum as 23 degrees Celsius and maximum 33 degrees Celsius. Headlines once again. NCP leader Praful Patel targets Congress over. BJP says nothing new in Shiv Sena's offer. Hopes to mutuality settles setting shares wrong. Police deny premises to 10 years celebration of Mois Vara Vara Rao house arrested. IAF plane carrying 11 on board criticized and crash lands at Chandigarh airport. That's all in this newscast for today. Keep watching Real English News. This is your host Sharif Akram Mamani. Sign up for today. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.